Perfect. So we have now a Google Nexus 1 here with Flash Player, the latest version 10.1, and this is 3D website, and you can work with it like that. Touch something. That's like this guy. We'll zoom out. Click on the button, and so on. So yes, Flash runs 3D on mobile devices as well. We've tweaked the performance a lot, and we are working with Google a lot. We believe in freedom of choice for the people. So this is the current version of Flash Player 10.1. It's going to be available in the first half of 2010. And Adobe Air for Android mobile devices will be available in the second half of 2010. I'll show a couple games here. She's there. Okay. Hey.
She has a friend.
Yeah, she had. Okay, so we have, for instance, a game. It's also built completely in Flash. And now you can have to use this pattern. So blue, blue, red, like that. You can see the application is very, very snappy. So green, green, red, like that, and so on. So you get the idea. So this is the first application I want to show you. The second one is South Park Avatar Creator. It's also built completely with Flash, and you can actually sell this application in the Android market, and you will be also able to sell such applications on much more devices in the future. Random avatar, like that. If you like it, you can finish it, send it to your friend, and so on. So this is basically how Flash and Adobe Air works on Android devices. Stay tuned for more. And I'm going to show you how you can develop and test such applications inside Flash CS5.
What about the battery of Android?
So
how long can it work?
So yeah, so basically it can work more or less the same like classic applications which we have on the device. We are working with Google closely to optimize these applications a lot. We will be utilizing OpenGL ES as well. So this is the stuff which is coming, and it doesn't utilize more eCPU or drain battery than HTML5, for instance, in browser. So it's actually much faster than HTML5 in the browser. And you can see some tests or benchmarks on the internet where they compare HTML5 to Flash, and you will see that Flash is running, for instance, like 24 frames per second, and HTML5 around 8, 7.
Thank you.
So, what I want to show you now, I have this application, it's basically a multi-flash application, and we have a new tool. It's called Device Central CS5, which you can use for testing your games and your applications on specific mobile devices. You just install the profile of the mobile device. Looks like that. And now if I don't have multi-touch device, how am I going to develop multi-touch applications without multi-touch display? So basically we have the simulator. You can use 2 touch fingers and like that, and you can zoom and rotate and so on. And you can also set the width and height of the finger, and also the pressure, and so on. And you can also test the other things. So I have this labyrinth game here. It's basically a game which is meant to be for accelerometer enabled devices. And I have this accelerometer here, and when I turn the device here, the ball is now going according to the device, like that. restart. You can also use shaking, up and down, back and forth, and so on. You have also other things here like geolocation, so you can set some latitude, longitude, and it's reflected into the application. You can set the device performance, device status, network performance, very, very useful thing. So you basically shape the download and upload of the data transfer, and so on. You can also set latency, etc., security and network status, and so on. And if you want, you can test this application on different mobile devices and see how it works and how it performs. So, in OpenScreen project, we are working with a lot of partners. It's around 70 partners, and a lot of them are like chip producers, chip manufacturers. A couple of them are like media content producers. You can, for instance, see like NVIDIA, ARM, Cisco set-top boxes, Intel set-top boxes, LG mobile phone set-top boxes, mobile phones, and so on. So the new partners are actually here. Research in Motion, this is BlackBerry, and we will be also supporting BlackBerry mobile phones with Flash and our applications. And also Google, this is the current cooperation you've already seen with Android OS. Peer-to-peer. So how many of you knew that you can actually use peer-to-peer inside your Flash applications?
Torrent clients in Flash?
Sorry?
Torrent clients on Flash?
Yeah, you can build your own BitTorrent in Flash. So I'm going to show you how. So basically, it's a huge new topic inside Flash. It's not only one little feature. It's a lot of new topics and terms like object replication, multicast, directed routing, bootstrapping, partial reliability, congestion control, and so on. So as you can see, it's a lot of things. And I'm going to explain a couple of things around here. So, for instance, directed routing enables you to send direct messages from one peer to another, or to a specific peer, or to nearest peer, or to your neighbor. Bootstrapping means automatic adding of the clients inside the application or inside a group. Then you have multicast. We support two kinds of multicast. One of them is IP native multicast, which must be supported by routers. And we've also added application level multicast, which is basically peer-to-peer multicast. So you can transfer streams in the mesh of the peers, and so on. So how it works? So we have currently two different, let's say, topologies. One of them is hub and spoke network. This is a centralized network. It has a single point of failure. That means if your server doesn't work, you need a failover solution. You have to pay for the server and so on, but you probably know this. And with peer-to-peer, it's decentralized, and adding more clients to network actually makes the network more robust, more faster, etc. How it works